V1S Pro True Tone Repair with original screen. Step 1. Reading original screen data. Buckle True Tone Repair adapter on V1S Pro. Boot up V1S Pro. When there is an original screen, the IMEI code can be read directly from it. Shut down the phone. Disconnect the battery and remove the screen. Buckle the original screen on the corresponding port of the adapter. It shows detected screen. Click Read. When it shows True Tone TP Read Success, remove the original screen. Step 2. Writing data. Buckle the new original screen on the adapter. Click Write. When it shows True Tone Write Success, remove the screen. Step 3. If you need to solve the pop-up window problem. The Touch IC of 11 and above models need to be transplanted. That of models below 11 doesn't need to be transplanted. Install the Touch IC of the original screen to the new original screen. Step 4. Install and test. Put the screen back on the phone. Buckle the original receiver FPC. Connect battery. Boot up. There is True Tone in the phone. V1S Pro True Tone Repair without original screen. Cautions. The IMEI code of iPhone 7-11 models can be extracted directly from the mobile phone. That of other models need jailbreaking or unbinding. Please visit JCID official website to learn how to unbind. www.jcprogrammer.com. The True Tone function of this mobile phone is unavailable. Now let's repair it. Step 1. Get mobile phone data, or unbind data from the iCloud. Buckle the True Tone Repair adapter on V1S Pro. Start up V1S Pro. Connect V1S Pro to mobile phone with Apple USB cable. Click Trust on the phone. Click Fix. When it shows Read Code Success, remove the screen. Step 2. Remove the phone screen. Power off the phone. Disconnect the battery and remove the screen. Step 3. Write data. Buckle the screen on the corresponding port of the adapter. Click Write. When it shows True Tone Write Success, remove the screen. Step 4. Install and test. Install the screen back on the phone. Buckle the original receiver FPC. Connect battery. Start up. There is True Tone in the phone. The True Tone function is repaired successfully. More videos about True Tone repair. Please visit JCID.